In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import PST file in Microsoft Outlook. Importing a PST file into Microsoft Outlook is a useful process, especially when you need to restore backup data or transfer emails from another system. It is important to note that this method applies mainly to older versions of Outlook, where PST file importing is fully supported. Newer versions may have limited functionality. So today we will focus on the classic Outlook interface to guide you through the correct process. To begin, make sure you are logged into your Microsoft Outlook account. Once you are inside the application and your mailbox is visible, direct your attention to the top left corner of the screen. Click on the File tab, which gives you access to a wide range of account and system settings within Outlook. After opening the File menu, look for the option labeled Open and Export. This section is specifically designed for managing external data connections and file operations. Click on it to continue. Inside this menu, you will find an option called Import and Export. Select it to open the Import wizard. A new window will appear, guiding you through the import process step by step. From the available choices, select the option that says Import from another program or file. This option allows Outlook to bring in data from external sources. Once selected, click. Next to proceed, you will then be asked to choose the type of file you want to import. From the list, select Outlook Data File, commonly known as PST format. This file type contains emails, folders, and other mailbox data. After selecting it, click. Next to continue. Now, you will need to locate the PST file on your computer. Click Browse and navigate through your folders until you find the correct file. Once selected, you will be given options for handling duplicate items, such as replacing duplicates, allowing duplicates, or skipping them entirely. Choose the option that best suits your needs, then click Next. If the PST file is password protected, you will be prompted to enter the password. This step ensures that only authorized users can access the data. Carefully type the correct password and click OK to proceed. Finally, click Finish to start the import process. Outlook will begin transferring the data from the PST file into your mailbox. Depending on the size of the file, this may take a few moments to complete. Once the process is finished, it is recommended to review your folders and imported data to confirm that everything has been transferred correctly. This helps ensure that no important information is missing or misplaced. And that is how you successfully import a PST file into Microsoft Outlook. If you need to, you can replay the steps to better understand the process. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.